Hi guys! Namaste. Let's do this 10-minute yoga sequence. Begin with your feet together. Bring your hands up in the air. Inhale. Exhale, bend to the side for half moon and stay here for 5 breaths. Come up to center. Inhale. Exhale. Half moon to the other side. 5 breaths here. Come up. Jump your feet about shoulder width apart. Bring your hands up in the air. Sit into a chair pose. Look up through your fingertips for 5 deep breaths. Bring your arms to center, prayer, and twist to the right. Look up, 5 deep breaths. Come back to center, twist to the other side, 5 deep breaths. Back to center. Come up. Come to the short side of your mat. Bring your one of the legs back. Hands up. Look up for lunge. 5 deep breaths. Come up. Rotate your feet for a wide legged forward fold. Hands on your weights. Fold forward. 5 deep breaths. Bring your torso up. Rotate your feet. Lunge on the other side. Come up. Rotate your feet for wide leg, forward fold. Clasp your hands behind you, interlace your fingers. Fold forward, 5 deep breaths. Slowly come up. Release your hands. Rotate your feet for pyramid. Fold forward. 5 deep breaths. Slowly come up. Rotate your feet, wide leg, forward fold. Grab your ankles or toes. And stay for 5 breaths. Slowly come up, rotate your feet, turn your torso for the pyramid on the other side. Fold forward. Slowly come up. Heel toe your feet together. Bring your right leg up. Place the foot above your knee. Hands in prayer for triples. Stay here for 5 breaths. You can try closing your eyes to test your balance. Now release your hands, bend slightly your left leg, grab your right toe, open up your right leg to the side for a big toe pose. You can also choose to lift up and to the side your left arm and look towards your left fingertips. Release your toe. Back to center. 3 on the other side. Prayer. Bring your left foot up above your knee and stay here. Maybe close your eyes to test your balance. Slightly bend your right knee, grab your left big toe, open up your left leg to the side, and you can stay here or open up your right arm to the side and look to the right fingertips. Release your toe. Feet about shoulder width apart. Your toes slightly rotated to the sides. Prayer. And sit in a yogic squat for 5 breaths. Lengthen your back. Ground yourself. Really pay attention to your breath. Now rotate your toes in, feet parallel. Round your back and vertebra by vertebra, come up. Jump your feet together, hands in prayer. Namaste.